Hello and welcome everyone to another Microsoft Excel tutorial, and in today's lesson we will be talking and learning about the protection. What is protection, how to utilize it, and do we need it or no? Let's talk about it. Let's suppose if you have a sheet, you have created it and it's something that you don't want to be edited by anyone else. You want to protect it by unknown editing or accidental editing or something like that, or maybe if you have a file in your PC, but if someone else opens it and he can remove the data, he can delete it, and you don't want to have face such issues. How to protect it? Here is the way to completely protect your sheet. You will just come on the tab which is on review tab and click on the protect sheet. While you will come here in protect sheet, it will ask you allow all users of this worksheet to select the locked cells, select the unlocked cells, or whatever you want to give them permission. We have given them permission just to make selection on locked or unlocked cells. And here you can set the password. You can set anything. There is no special restrictions for the password. We'll select it here, for example 12345 6. Okay, and click on OK here. Re-enter the password, click OK. Now this complete sheet, not the complete entire workbook means all the sheets, the below here, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. We are talking about only this sheet is protected. Wherever we will try to type something, it will not allow us. Okay, until we will not unprotect it, we will revert the protection. So what if we will click on the unprotect sheet, it will just open the lock by itself without anything? No, then that will not be a protection. It will ask for the password which we have entered it, 12345 6. Click on OK and you are done. The protection is removed and you can make editing whatever you want. Now just imagine if you are in a office and you are sending this such small presentation, or some, not a presentation, I mean a sheet, a statement or something, and you need some remarks from someone. So for example here we'll write remarks. You need remarks from that designated person to write them in here in this sheet, in this particular cell, and you don't want him to edit any of the other records or whatever written in the entire sheet. How to do that? So what we will do, we will allow access only to one single column, or the complete entire row, or a complete column, or selected range of cells, whatever. How to do that? First of all, we will click the same tab which is review, and we'll click here allow users to edit ranges. Okay, click on the new tab and you can select the range. Okay, range 1, you can name it. How to select the range? You will select, for example, here, or we'll select only one column, whatever you need. If you will drag the mouse and drag it over how many cells, it will select those, or particularly one cell. It's up to you. Here we will go for particular one cell. Okay, and click on OK. Then you will apply. Then you have to click the protect sheet here and set the password. For example, we will select here same 111 3 times, make it easy. Okay, now what happens if you try to edit somewhere else? It will not allow for any user. Okay, but this selected cell you can make editing, but nowhere else. Only on the selected cell he can delete, he can do whatever he wants on that particular cell which we have unprotected it. Now moving to the next level, first of all we will remove the protection here, so we'll move forward. What was the password? Yeah, here. Now what if we don't want anyone else to work on that particular cell? We want to make editing on that particular cell, or allow a specific user to make editing on that particular cell but not anyone else. So we should select a password for it. How to do that? Same way, we'll go on review tab and allow users to edit range. The previous range is already selected, that's good. And here we will click on modify, and we'll give the range password. So the password here, whatever you will give, you can share it with that person. You will give here 000, re-enter the password, click OK. So apply and click on protect sheet, and the master password that you should have it, you can keep it like 111. Click OK, 111. Okay, now what happens if this file suddenly or accidentally someone else receives it, gets it, and he tries to edit, modify some record? He cannot. Even in that allowed cell, if he wants to edit something, it will ask for the password. The password, if you have provided to that designated person, the specific person, he can only edit it because he will have the password. For example, the password was 000. Click on OK. One time password is required, not every time. How many times now he will edit it? He can, but only in the particular cell, not anywhere in else inside the sheet. This is all about the protection and how to utilize this protection. It's very useful when you will be in such environment or in condition where you want to apply some, enable some protection over the complete sheet. So that's how you can do it. Okay, and same option we have talked about the protection of a sheet, but if you want to have on complete file, this Microsoft Excel file completely what you have saved on all the sheets, then we'll click on protect workbook. So entire workbook will be protected with the password. Okay, I hope that it will give you a help and you have learned something new today. For our new viewers, I request them to please subscribe my channel and keep watching, and click on the bell icon below so that you will get on updates for my latest videos. For the next time, see you soon.